Welcome to Daikin India's manufacturing facility at Neemrana, Rajasthan. A journey of hard work, persistence and forward thinking to achieve something truly world-class. With more than 95 years of experience in HVAC category, we have been reinventing for emerging markets across the world. Daikin India initiated this state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in 2008, which spreads across 160,000 square meters, making it the largest factory in India. In 2009, production commenced in the facility with the manufacturing of VRV and chillers. Since then, the production capacity for VRV has reached to 65,000 units and for chillers to 1,050 units, with 2 assembly lines for chillers and 2 pair of assembly lines for VRV, cassette and Sky Air combined. In 2012, the first commercial production of RA line was started with the introduction of R32 eco-friendly green refrigerant. Today, the annual production capacity of RA has gone up to 1.5 million units, with 4 pair of assembly lines of indoor units and outdoor units. It was soon followed by the production of PA products in 2014. In the year 2015, the company created a landmark for itself. Not only did it begin the production of centrifugal and falling film chillers, but also laid the foundation of the first R&D center spread across 5,088 square meters. This R&D center became operational in 2016. And the groundbreaking ceremony of the second manufacturing facility also happened in the same year, which began full-fledged operations in 2017. The 2 manufacturing units combined with 1 R&D facility became our engine of growth, enabling us to produce products from 0.5 ton to 1,500 ton under one roof. Keeping up the ongoing endeavor, commercial production of inverter cassettes, magnetic chillers and RA kit line was started in 2019. In just a few years, with consistent efforts, we've achieved the production capacity of 160,000 cassettes and 55,000 ductables. Technology and automation is the core of our manufacturing process, enabling us to deliver the production of 1 unit in every 7 seconds. Today, Daikin India is ready to add new chapters in its story of success with 3rd factory in Sri City, Industrial Park, Southern India. 2nd Mechanical Research and Development Facility, Neemrana. New AI and IoT Center in Hyderabad. Beyond our production expertise, the key to our success also depends on our keen interest to cater to varied consumer needs with strong research and development. Our R&D center is equipped with highly advanced labs. Here our team works rigorously to innovate groundbreaking solutions, to improve constantly on design and technology. We conduct multiple phases of tests in our specialized facilities. We have invested in designing our R&D facility as per the global standards to ensure our products are ready to rule the market. In this journey, we have crossed several milestones as the market leader. Today, the company is confident to make a difference in the global market with robust processes and strong manufacturing infrastructure. Daikin India, as a global manufacturing hub, is ready to take the emerging markets to new horizons.